This broadcast is brought to you by Relyance Bank.
Good morning, Lakeside.
My name is Max.
And I'm Kayla. Congratulations to the Eagles for winning the Super Bowl.
Don't you hate it when they run out of yearbooks on annual signing day?
Nah, I ordered online.
Yearbooks are now on sale for $60. Get yours before prices go up to $65 on February 17th.
You can talk to Ms. Davis, email any yearbook staff member, or go to jostens.com.
Who's there?
Boo.
Boo-hoo.
Come on, Max, why are you crying? The student newspaper is online.
The student newspaper, The Voice, is now available online. Visit lhsvoice.org for the latest stories, news, and features.
Now introducing our new reoccurring segments, here is Maya, Max, and Cambryn with your Valentine's Day special.
For today's DIY, you're going to need a packet of brushes, a painter's palette, and some paint.
Howdy partners! In today's DIY, we'll be helping you this Valentine's Day.
We've come up with the best gift ideas.
The true way to express your feelings is through art.
Let's paint!
Today we'll be painting our significant others.
Man, these are nice. I like these. Those are very good. Personally, I think mine's going to be a perfect gift for my special little someone this Valentine's Day. This is my rendition of Gabby. You know who you are. You're out there. This is for you. How do you think about it, Max?
I think it went pretty well. I think we all created really nice portraits, and I'm pretty happy with mine. This is my rendition of Bethany, and I really hope you like it, you know?
I think we all did really good. A lot better than all of us expected.
Yeah.
And this is how Ethan turned out, and I hope he likes it because it's all he's getting because I'm broke.
Do you plan on going to prom?
Not unless someone asks me. Prom is earlier this year on April 7th from 8 p.m. to 12 a.m. at the Convention Center.
Email Miss Aiken or stop by room 601 for more information.
Here's Molly and Sydney with your weekly weather report.
Thanks, Kayla.
Happy Monday, everyone.
Hope you all enjoyed the Super Bowl yesterday and are enjoying the weather today.
Tell us what it's like, Molly.
The weather today looks to be pretty sunny, but tomorrow will be rainy.
And Wednesday and Thursday looks sunny as well.
The rest of the weekend seems to be fairly sunny.
And the high this week will be in the 60s and the low will be in the 30s.
Sounds like everyone should bundle up in their warmest jacket.
They sure do, Molly.
Okay, that's the weather for now. Back to y'all.
Thanks for that, stunt.
Do you need a dress for prom but can't afford one? Cinderella's Closet offers juniors and senior girls who would like to go to prom but cannot afford to buy a dress, shoes, or other accessories.
Dresses, shoes, jewelry, and makeup are yours to keep so that you can go to prom. If you are interested, see Miss Stratton or Miss Feemster for an application.
Applications must be returned by February 14th, 2018. Appointments for dress selection and fittings will be Saturday, March 2nd.
Have no fear, for the end is near.
And we'll see you on the other side.
It's gonna be like, quiet.